What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Infinity in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2027 Infiniti QX60 Sport. So this is my first video on the 2027 QX60. I have videos on the QX65, all through trim levels. And I also made a video on the 2027 QX80 Lux, and I'm going to give videos on all the trim levels of the QX60 and QX80 as I get my hands on them. Let's take a quick look at the window sticker. 2027 QX60 Sport, 2-liter variable compression turbo 4-cylinder with 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission, Infiniti intelligent all-wheel drive, unique Sport 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You have the clipped 16-speaker premium audio system in this Sport model. Total price on the window sticker is $66,470, 24 MPG combined, 21 city, 27 highway. So yeah. Nice black interior in this car. You have a digital gauge cluster, of course. You also have the new MagSafe magnet for your wireless charger, which is nice. I thought that was only on the QX65, but I was wrong. It's also on the QX60, which is really cool. You have heated and ventilated seats, also have a heated steering wheel, which is really nice. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. Seats are pretty comfortable. Here's your center console storage. And very easy to use screen. You can use this controller over here, or you can just use the touch screen. You have built-in Google Maps. You also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this car as well. You have a Sport, Auto, Eco, and Snow mode in this vehicle. But let's walk around this QX60, then we'll take it out for a spin. You also have a panoramic sunroof. You have a black exterior on this one with roof rails. I like the wheels on the Sport, they look pretty good. Also, it's just the Sport looks the best out of all the QX60s because you have a front lip, which looks really, really aggressive. Not many SUVs have a front lip like that. And you have like the sporty looking grille with like a crosshatch pattern. This Infiniti logo lights up at nighttime too, which is nice. Yeah, this one's a blacked out spec. QX60 S badge on the back. That also looks cool. The Sport models will give you like this black chrome trim or lettering. Here's the trunk with the third row up. Obviously the space is limited with the third row up, but if you fold those, you'll have a lot more cargo space. But it's nice how the QX60 will be able to fit all those passengers. So if you don't need the space of a QX80, but you want to have 3 rows, the QX60 is the one to go for if you want an Infiniti. I also like this start-stop button, which is black. It's like a nice black metal button, or metal looking button. Let's take it out for a spin now. Also like the Infiniti logo on these newer Infinitis. Smooth acceleration. Ride feels comfortable as well. I like that. I love the Google Maps feature when a car is built in Google Maps, and also being able to see it in your gauge cluster. That's really nice. Very convenient. You don't even have to use your CarPlay or Android Auto for Google Maps navigation at that point. But anyways, we have now returned to Grubbs Infiniti, so that concludes today's video on this 2027 Infiniti QX60 Sport. Nice looking QX60 right here, and great features in the QX60 Sport, like the ventilated seats, heated seats, and all that good stuff. And I really like the addition of the wireless charging tray. So that's the biggest difference I noticed, of the magnet in the wireless charging tray. That's the biggest difference I noticed over the 26 model. But thanks as always for watching another video, Drew of Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of new or certified pre-owned Infiniti vehicles.